Hi guys, I'm showing you now today a lovely nice hairstyle for wedding. Very easy and simple. So to start with that, so we're gonna take the hair here and take some clips. We clip all the hair here. And then it's a very nice, a beautiful, easy updo hairstyle. And the same on another side. So okay, so to make sure it's perfect done, better to do 2 times. So secure it very good. So, as you see guys, I'm just trying to push all that hair to here. It's a very nice hairstyle. Just try to secure it all together. Now, as you see, this is the result now. So, just try to push them all together, down. So you make perfect, nice line. So this will be your line, the basic line, as you see, like that, you see. So this is your basic line. Okay, now we're gonna start to work with the hair. It's very easy, very simple. So you take a piece of your hair and just turn the hair like that, you see, like that, yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to start in the middle. It's the best to start in the middle so you can control the style. So we're going to turn all the hair like that, and the only thing you need to do, just open this like that so it gets nice beautiful curl. And then turn on like this. So, and then just push the hair here. So you get this kind of effect of curl, see? So, and just push it here. So the only thing you need to do, push the hair there. So it's so nice and easy and very simple hairstyle. So now I'm gonna start here, you see. So you see, you build a lovely nice movement in the hair. It's just nice lovely curls. So you open it a little bit like that and then push that hair in there, see. Turn the hair and just, it's a really nice, beautiful, easy updo to do. So you see, you just push all this curl back. must be a little bit wild, so take some here, turn the hair. Very easy, simple a hairstyle. See, and then turn. And just put the bit like that so you can see it better. So hope you can see it better. So just move the hair a little bit like that and push them like this, you see? It's a really nice, beautiful, lovely, messy curls, what you're making actually. So, and you need to see where to put the movement, like that, see? So, it's a beautiful hairstyles. So, push the hair, see? Just when you push that, just put some clips here. Okay. Turn the hair, push that here. So very nice, beautiful movement. Lovely, easy, nice updo hairstyle. You can do that in just 5 minutes. You see? So now going here, the same thing. Gonna just turn the hair and push that there. So we're going to take some hair from here and just turn it. And the same, turn the hair and just push here. So it's just very nice, beautiful updo hairstyle. Very messy curls, you see? Just open them like that and then and then in between you need to check out what you did with all the screws. It's beautiful, nice hairstyle. So just push the hair, push the curls like that, and then put that here. See? So take this ones from here, the same. So turn the hair and push it like that. So you need to do it with your feeling, like you see there's some less hair here, so I'm gonna put some here, for example, to create some movement in the ground, you see? So I'm going to turn it a little bit like that. So make a movement here also, you see? So if you have some fly like that, we will just make them perfect by adding some clips here. So turn the hair, okay. So So this is the last one, the same like what we did in this another side. So what you do is turn the hair, make beautiful nice curls there. So make a wild curl here. And then put the there, like see. So it's really nice, easy, simple updo to wear, beautiful to do. And like in 5 minutes you have a special lovely hairstyle for wedding. See? So then you need to check out the hair. So if there's some hair loose or some is going there or there, so you need to know how to do it. Just try to push all the curls in the hair and try to make movement everywhere so you have a lovely nice line in the hair. You see, so if you have less here or there, you just need to open some curls here and there. So it's really nice and easy to wear, beautiful for girls, you see. Many girls like this style because it's very nice and wild. It's not like too classy or something, you know. So this is what it is. So as you see, this is the style now. This is it, like, let me just, so this like now, you see, beautiful, nice, cool hairstyle. So we can add some of nice things in it. So you can add some of this kind of flowers, you see, for example. See, so to cover your clips you had there and there. You see, so put some diamond here, you see, so you don't see any clips there. Very nice, you see. It's a beautiful hairstyle, easy, very nice, you see. You add some of diamond or flowers like that, you see. And then you can remove all this dark clips you had put in the hair and put the diamond one like this, you see. See, it's really nice. So I like it. It's really nice. And then it's very nice and beautiful. And all these girls, they like it. So you can add different kind of diamonds, for example. This side we can put this ones. This is also, I like this. This one are very pretty. They are very nice. So you see. Depends what do you like more, which kind of things, how do you want to get the effect of your style. See, and then this is the style now, so this is the result. But you can still like add here more things. For example, if you want to put some diamond of anything, but you can also say, no, I leave it like that, it's beautiful. You can also leave it like that. But many ladies choose for small tiny diamond like this, like see? Just to push them together, you see, just for a little bit shine, like that. See? just to give just different effect of the hairstyle. So it's really nice and very easy to do. I personally really like it. I love it. It's easy to wear, nice to do, and you are done in very short time. That's what you want. Easy and simple hairstyle for girls, you see? See how nice? Just beautiful, lovely, nice, messy, curly wedding hairstyle. I wish you can see it, but it's like this. It's really nice, beautiful, lovely hairstyle for girls. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.